Upgrade your kitchen experience with smart choices that balance power, durability, and style for everyday baking, whipping, and mixing needs. Today, we're going over the best affordable stand mixer from our top picks. Results: save time, reduce effort, and enjoy consistent performance day. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it. Number 1. KitchenAid K45SS Stand Mixer. The KitchenAid K45SS Stand Mixer is a classic, reliable choice that has earned its reputation in kitchens around the world. Built with durable, all-metal construction, this mixer feels solid and dependable from the moment you set it on your countertop. One of its standout strengths is the excellent mixing performance achieved through 59 touch points around the bowl that ensure ingredients are thoroughly incorporated every time. The 4.5-quart stainless steel bowl is ideal for everyday home baking, comfortably handling everything from cookie dough to cake batter, and it can mix up to 8 dozen cookies in a single batch. The tilt head design makes adding ingredients and changing attachments simple and convenient, while the locking head provides stability during operation. With 10 speed settings, the mixer offers impressive versatility, from gentle stirring to high-speed whipping, giving you precise control over a wide range of recipes. Another major advantage is compatibility with over 10 optional attachments, allowing the mixer to expand beyond baking into tasks like pasta making, meat grinding, and even ice cream preparation. Included accessories such as the flat feeder, dough hook, and wire whip cover most standard baking needs right out of the box.
Number 2. Cuisinart Stand Mixer. The Cuisinart Stand Mixer is designed for home bakers who want power, precision, and a bit more capacity for ambitious recipes. Featuring a robust 500-watt motor and solid die-cast metal construction, this mixer is built to handle everything from light batters to dense bread dough with confidence. Its generous 5.5-quart stainless steel bowl offers ample space for larger batches, making it ideal for families or those who enjoy baking in bulk. With 12 speed settings, the mixer provides excellent control, allowing users to fine-tune mixing speeds for different tasks, whether gently folding ingredients or whipping cream to stiff peaks. The tilt-back head design ensures easy access to the bowl and attachments, simplifying ingredient additions and cleanup. Included accessories such as the chef's whisk, dough hook, flat mixing paddle, and splash guard with pour spout make this mixer ready for a wide range of recipes straight out of the box.
Number 3. VIVOHOME Stand Mixer. The VIVOHOME Stand Mixer is a powerful and budget-friendly option designed to handle heavy-duty mixing tasks with ease. Equipped with a strong 660-watt motor, it effortlessly kneads thick doughs, mixes dense batters, and whips cream without strain, making it suitable for a wide range of baking needs. The 10-speed control allows users to adjust mixing intensity precisely, while the planetary mixing action ensures ingredients are blended evenly and consistently throughout the bowl. Its spacious 6-quart stainless steel bowl is ideal for family-sized portions, capable of preparing multiple loaves of bread or large batches of dough in one go. The mixer's solid construction, combined with a suction cut base, keeps it stable during operation, even at higher speeds. Despite its power, the pure copper motor operates relatively quietly and includes efficient heat dissipation to enhance durability and long-term performance. The tilt head design provides easy access to the bowl and attachments, while the included splash guard helps keep countertops clean. Additional accessories such as the whisk, dough hook, beater, and egg yolk separator add convenience for everyday baking.
Number 4. Hamilton Beach Stand Mixer. The Hamilton Beach Stand Mixer is a practical and user-friendly appliance designed for everyday baking tasks. Powered by a 300-watt motor, it handles common recipes such as cookies, cakes, and basic bread doughs with ease, making it a solid option for casual home bakers. One of its most helpful features is the 7-speed control system, paired with a slow first speed that minimizes splatter when incorporating dry ingredients into wet mixtures. The built-in mixing guide on top of the mixer takes the guesswork out of choosing the right speed, which is especially helpful for beginners. Its planetary mixing action ensures complete bowl coverage, delivering even and consistent results similar to more premium mixers. The 4-quart stainless steel bowl with handles is easy to use and clean, and all included attachments, the dough hook, whisk, flat beater, and splash guard, are dishwasher safe. A built-in handle on the mixer head makes lifting, moving, and storing the appliance simple and convenient. While it may not offer the power or attachment versatility of higher-end models, the Hamilton Beach Stand Mixer delivers reliable performance, thoughtful features, and excellent value for everyday home baking needs.
Number 5. Bonnor 6QT Stand Mixer. The Bonnor 6QT Stand Mixer stands out with its modern design and smart features aimed at making baking easier and more efficient. Its LED Smart Touch control panel offers 4 one-touch automatic programs for kneading dough, whisking cream, mixing batter, and stirring ingredients, allowing even beginners to achieve consistent results with minimal effort. The one-touch timer function enables hands-free operation, letting the mixer handle tasks automatically while you focus on other kitchen prep. Powered by a 660-watt pure copper motor, the mixer delivers strong, consistent performance for heavy doughs and thick mixtures, supported by 360-degree planetary mixing for thorough ingredient incorporation. With 11 speed settings plus a pulse function, it provides excellent control for everything from delicate cake batters to dense bread dough. Triple noise reduction technology keeps operation relatively quiet, while suction cups ensure stability during use. Overheat protection allows extended mixing sessions without worry. That wraps up the top 5 best affordable stand mixer. Like, subscribe to The Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.